Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to disable mono audio in Windows 11. So click on search and type here mono audio. Then click on this setting. Now here you can see the option mono audio. Combine left and right audio channel into one. So if you want to turn on, so just guys you have to enable or disable this option. If you want to turn on, so select the setting to on. You want to disable, so select this setting to off. So this way you can enable or disable mono audio in Windows 11. Also guys, this method will work in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.